Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can schedule your upload on YouTube. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to schedule your upload on YouTube, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to upload a video first, so just tap this plus icon on the middle. And then just select the video that you want to upload. Hello guys. And after selecting the video, you can now set up your upload, such as entering the title, description, and thumbnail. This will help your video stand out and attract viewers. And once you're done setting up, let me now show you how you can schedule the upload time of your video. So to do that, first, I want you to tap the visibility option. And here in the visibility section, you will now be able to see the schedule setting. Just go and tap it. And then tap this to start setting up your upload schedule. And right here, you just need to select the date when you want your video to be uploaded. Once you've selected the date, tap OK to continue. And after setting the date, you can now set the uploading time. This will allow you to choose the exact time for your video to be uploaded. And once you're done setting up the uploading time, just tap the OK button. And then there it is guys, your upload time schedule will now be set, so you can now go back. And then tap next to start uploading the video. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, the video will now start uploading, but it won't be visible to others until the scheduled time you set. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.